G'day plant friends and welcome back to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. We're having an avocado update and there are some developments. It's been quite a few months now since I started these seeds and we've got some very slow progress. Usually I would expect to see some growth within the first couple of months, but these just seem to be some slow starting seeds. Some of the seeds that looked like they were going to be doing some exciting growing, such as Fox FDL Official, don't seem to be doing much at all now. This one's root has turned into a darker colour and has stopped growing, so I'm a little bit nervous about this seed, but we'll see how it goes going forward. There are some seeds as well that are looking pretty poor after several months in the water. Their colour is deteriorating and it's looking like there may be some rot. My tiny organic garden is looking pretty sad, and I Turn Into a Plant Lady is also beginning to show some decomposition. There are still some seeds who are maintaining the colour and structure but aren't showing any signs of growing just yet. But then, something very exciting does seem to be happening to I Am Mrs. Jacobs 3. It would appear that a tiny shoot is finally appearing above the seed, though I am a little hesitant to begin celebrating yet. The roots still aren't looking awesome, so we'll just have to wait and see. Though for me it would be very exciting if finally, after 2 years of running this Scott Grows an Avocado Tree YouTube channel and following particular seeds, if we finally have one growing a shoot. So on the bench, there are some seeds showing some positive activity, some seeds showing signs of decay, and some seeds that aren't doing much at all. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as to not miss any future updates and to continue keeping track of these seeds, some of which I have a very good feeling about. No doubt there'll be another update coming very soon. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.